My name is Melody Mackeown. I'm a qualified nutritional therapist and I thoroughly enjoy cooking. So today I'd like to talk to you about experimenting in the kitchen with a Spanish summer soup, gazpacho, which my husband recently described as vitamins and minerals in a bowl. It's incredibly easy to make, it's versatile and it is enjoyed by all my family, including my school-aged children. It also contains a lot of ingredients that naturally support your immune system. So lemons, tomatoes, parsley, cucumber, onion, garlic, and olive oil. So for example, gazpacho provides a fantastic amount of vitamin C. So it has 3 sources from lemon juice, tomatoes and peppers, which gives your body the support you need for your immune system to help protect you from viral infections like colds and flu-like symptoms. And all the vegetables and herbs provide excellent sources of fibre, which are extremely important for your digestive tract. And it is estimated that around 70% of your immune system is in your digestive tract. So the fibre in it also helps feed the trillions of bacteria in your gut, vital for your immune system. Good for your heart as it has olive oil, and I found out quite recently that unfiltered olive oil also is rich in polyphenols, which also help your gut microbiome and your immune system. And one last thing before I show you how to make it is eggs, as they contain good sources of protein, zinc and copper, which are required for detoxification pathways in your body and to support your immune system. Making gazpacho is incredibly easy, and I prepared this earlier. So you top and tail cucumber and then chop it up into pieces, and of course we're going to put it in the blender anyway. You remove the seeded bits of the pepper and you finally chop the herbs up, and then you put them in here, which I'm going to do. So now I've finished the gazpacho, which I put in a bowl, and my daughter has taste tested it for me and said it's delicious. I've garnished it with some oregano, which also has antimicrobial properties, so good for your immune system, and I've chopped up some hard-boiled eggs, which I cooked earlier, which is on top. It also makes it more filling. One last thing I'd like to say about this dish is because of all the cucumber in it and the other vegetables in it, it's also naturally very hydrating. Its water content's quite high, so it means it'll have a lot of potassium, one of the important minerals to keep all your nervous system working. So I hope you try this recipe. I absolutely loved it, and last summer we lived on it and had it week in, week out, and I made it all the time. It was absolutely delicious. So the last thing I'd like to say is I hope you enjoy trying this dish and that you like it as much as I do. And if there's anything else you'd like to find out about how to support your immune system, then please do look at the clinic website and get in touch with our admin team as well if you'd like to arrange a free 15-minute consultation.